Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. So first, check the cable and charger for damage and compatibility. So first, for damage, check if your cable isn't broken in any way. It is not. So now check the compatibility by just inserting the cable and check if you can insert it, because you can't put the USB Type-C into a lightning port. Then clean the charging port with non-metallic tool here. Just use Q-tip or wooden stick or something like that. Then you can test with another fast charger or outlet, but I don't have any right now. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.